I thought you guys were far from each other. No, not anymore.
Not anymore. Your boy's moving. You have to be like close to the lady. You know that. Yeah, they think I'm covering you.
You think what?
They think I'm putting up with you.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Just came in to say hi.
Who says man? Yeah. She says it has to be about me.
Don't make me a bad person, bro. Why are you trying to make me this guy?
Like she wants this for me, so.
Yes, I don't want to take away the attention from him. It's his day. I don't want it to be a Tumi and Buhle day.
Yeah. Today's Tumi's day, so we're gonna catch up with you guys